Welcome back to another one of my videos. So for this vlog, it will be a little bit different as I will be doing a bachelorette party for my sister. My younger sister, well, I have four sisters. So the one that follows me will be getting married. That will be tomorrow. I'm not sure when you'll be seeing this vlog, but she'll be getting married the day after, which is the following day after this. And so you'll be seeing me going in. I'll be doing a little bit of cooking, just finger food and decorating to make this moment very special for her. So once again, you'll be seeing me decorating, doing a little bit of finger food, setting up the table, just getting everything right, because the party will be hosted here and all the guests will be coming here in about 2 hours from now. So I have about 2 hours just to get everything together.
First thing I started was these banana breads. I baked two, one for the party and one was to use for the in the wedding among one of the dessert items. Fun fact, the banana bread for the wedding actually never made it. It was left at home with all the rushing that happened on the Sunday. So for this decor, majority of the stuff that I used was items that I already owned or were bits of pieces that will be used in the wedding for the following day, such as the floral stands that you should be seeing me using further on in the video. But otherwise, all materials were already owned, so I'll be using those for the decor. I did not necessarily have to go out and buy, so you can call this like a DIY decor, basically using what you have to make it work and hopefully for a very beautiful end goal. is how the table came out after I placed everything. That's the rum punch, guys. This rum punch this rum punch was very strong, very strong. I made some crispy fries. I have some fruits over there. And that's the banana bread and some fried chicken. Nothing too crazy. I know this video had a lot of me just decorating because that's what I spend a bulk of the time doing, but here the hard work paid off. That is the bride. That was a soon-to-be bride at the time. Look at her. Guys, what I would love for you to do is just drop a comment below under this video and wish the lovely bride congratulations on her new nuptials. So go ahead, take the time now and leave a comment. Guys, for the remaining of the night, I was not able to get in footage because unfortunately I forgot that I was vlogging and got a little bit carried away. But I'm gonna insert some footage of the wedding.
Here's to the good times, let the music play. We're making memories today. We got our share of ups and downs, but somehow we always find our way around. Through every storm and sunny day, we stay together, didn't fade away. The world is spinning fast, but we're still here. With every heartbeat, with every cheer. So let's keep dancing, let's keep the vibe. In every moment we feel alive. Through the smiles and the tears we come so far. Now we're shining like the brightest star. We take a look around and all we see is the love we share, the joy, the harmony. No matter where tomorrow goes, those moments stay in our souls. So let's keep shining, don't let it fade. Together with the memories we've made. We've had a night laughing under the moon, to dancing as the sun sets too soon. Every heartbeat, every melody brings us back to the love we feel so free. We may be apart but not for long, cause every time we hear our favorite song, it's like we're right back where we belong. In those moments forever strong. The good times, we're making memories today for forever. Through the smiles and the tears we come so far. Now we always find our way around. Wherever, every moment we feel day. We've had our share of ups and downs, but somehow we always find our way around. Through every storm and sunny day, stay together, didn't fade away. The world is spinning fast, but we're still here. With every heartbeat, with every cheer. So let's keep dancing, let's keep the vibe. In every moment we feel alive. Through the smiles and the tears we come so far. Now we're shining like the brightest star. We take a look